Hey guys, it's Pasty White coming at you today, and we are going to cover how to mod your Blue Fang Ark Survival server. Now, this doesn't necessarily have to apply just to Ark. You can mod other Blue Fang servers this way, but, I've looked around the internet for a while, and I didn't really see any videos that covered in any kind of in-depth how to actually go through this. So, like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to run through this right quick, and what you've got to do to, you know, to download, make your mods, and upload them to your server. So here we go. To start with, if you want a step-by-step look through, you can go to bluefangsolutions.com/adding mods to your Ark game server. The address is right there on the screen. So here's a step-by-step run through. It's telling you pretty straightforward how to do it, but some of it's kind of confusing. So that's why we're going to go ahead and cover this. All right. So anyways, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your Blue Fang server. You're going to want to pull up your Overseer panel right here. And once you get into your Overseer panel, oh doggone it, timed out. Look at that. All right. Anyway, so you're going to have to go to your Overseer panel, pull up your dashboard, and where did it go? File Manager. I'll back all the way out of this. So typically you should start right here. Excuse me. So typically you're going to start right here on this list, and you're going to want to take and go ahead and go down to your shooter game files. From there you're going to move to Saved, Configure, and then your Windows Server Directory. Now if you're referring to that web page that I showed you just a minute ago, this one right here, it's going to tell you that you need to go ahead and go into your game user settings INI file right here. Oh, poop. Not download it. There we go. And you're going to want to go into your server settings, and right here is where you would add in your activation code saying, hey, this is the mod we're going to activate, right? All right, so where do we get this activation code from? What mod are we talking about? Well, today I'm doing the Stargate Atlantis mod on my server, so this is the mod we're going to focus on. Now, you will need to have your URL activated for your Steam store so you can get these last couple of digits right here. Those digits are the ones that are going to tell you, that will tell your server, hey, this is the mod we're referring to. So anyways, you'll go ahead, you'll subscribe to the mod that you want, which I already have. It'll download the mod to your Ark files, which this is located right here. Anyway, so you'll download them. You'll go in. You'll open up your game directory. Open Ark. Run the game. You'll need to run a private multiplayer session on your local PC. And what that's going to do is when you run through, it'll actually unwrap the mods on your computer files and let you draw out. So let's look for 60938. So, where is it? There we go, 60938. So it's going to open it will unwrap this file in a .mod format. Now the .mod format is what you are actually going to upload to your Blue Fang server. Excuse me again. So, we know that we're going to have to go into this game user setting and add the Stargate file number, which is actually the same as this right here, the 60938 number. That's the same number that you're going to create to activate. But before we do that, go ahead and back up. All right, here we are at the top again. Oh, and just FYI, this only works on non-map mods. If you're going to use a map mod, you'll need to use like FileZilla or WinSCP, so that you can actually download or upload files that are larger than 1 gigabyte. Anyways, so where is it? I'm so sorry. One second. I've got to find. There we go. Yeah. All right. Shooter games, content, and mods. Here we go. This is where you're going to be uploading your mods, and you'll see there's already some mods already listed here. Back up. You know, see, like this is the center mod, so that way this is saying this is the map extension, you know, for you to have the center as a possible map, and this is actually where you would come to upload your maps, you know, if you were like the volcano or Valhalla or whatever. But that's not what we're doing. So, anyways, we're going to go ahead and upload files, and we're going to do where to go. Okay, give me 2 seconds, and I can find it. PC, Windows, Program Files, Steam Apps. Okay. Da, 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 da. Desktop back. Da, 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 da. There we go. PC. Let's see, program. Okay, well, now I feel like a dumb dummy. Oh, there we go, Windows C. Yeah, I do feel like a dumb shit. Program 86, and down to Steam files. Where are they? Steam. And what was the next thing after Steam? Steam apps, common Ark. There we go. Alright, so Steam apps, common, find the Ark file. There it is. Shooter game, content, and mods. There we go. And we're looking for, which one? 60938. Yep, there we go. So let's find it. There we go. 60938. I need to upload both of them, I think. 60938. That one for sure. I guess I can upload this one. Okay. Alright, so we're going to do the 60938. Blah, 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 blah. And there it goes. The file is added to the servers, 370 kilobytes, which actually seems remarkably small. I feel like I'm missing something there. Because if I am not mistaken, this file is 204. Well, no, I guess that could be about right. That's... I'm going to really, really, really hope that this is megabytes and not kilobytes. There's not a displayed size setting. We're going to hope it's right. I think it's right. We're going to hope. Anyways, so 60938 011. Alright, so we're going to back up. Go up another step and another step. Too far. Content. Oh no, not content. Shooter game. Configure. No, dadgummit, I'm gonna get myself lost. Wow, I'm over here trying to teach you guys and I'm teaching myself. Anyways, shooter game saved. There we go. Saved. Configure. Windows Server. And game user settings. We're going to edit those. Right, chill. Make sure I'm on the right one. Server settings. Yes, and now here we are going to add, excuse me, add the command, oh, I don't need that, ctiv mods equal, and then we're going to punch in copy, there we go, and then we will paste it in right there. Oh darn, it won't let me do it. Oh, that's so ridiculous. Okay, it was what, 60938 0111 maybe? Is that right? 60938 0111. Holy cow. I got that right on the first guess. Alright. Man, it's going to be a good day. 60938 0111. 60938 0111. Alright. So hit save to go ahead and put that, go ahead and save it into your file directory. And then we are going to exit from our file manager. And, oh, that key, it kicks you out of that so much and I hate it. Anyways, we will go ahead and restart our server. Take a couple of seconds. Oh, do 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 do. Oh, and just a little disclaimer, guys. Not every mod that you can download off the workshop is multiplayer compatible, and it's something you need to keep in mind when you're trying to make modifications to a public server like this. Um, and of course, your stack order, and I guess I should say the order that your mods are loaded into your server, the order that they load as the game's processing, can make a big difference on the functionality and the stability uh, of the mods and how your server will continue to function. So please keep that in mind when you're doing multiple mods. I'm not really a big mod guy, but like I said, I looked around and couldn't find a whole lot of videos explaining how to do this easily. So I want to go ahead and cover that. Anyway, so our server's back up and running. Been running for about 51 seconds now, so we can exit out of that. Close that. Library. Actually, oh, doggone it. Gotta close out of everything on my laptop because of course. Anyway, so view servers. I have this one, Noob City. It's my big favorite. It's my private server. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and connect if it'll let me. Server not responding. Refresh. Close. Money says it's because because Steam doesn't want to let me access anything right now. It's saying, oh no, you're already logged in on another computer. You can't do that. Hold on a second. Close all this stuff on my laptop. Close. There it goes. There we go. Library. Oh, try to do a server join. Connect. Oh, Lord have mercy, Jesus. Man, this is so embarrassing. You go to go to try to do a video, and everything in the world that can happen wants to happen. That's just frustrating. Dashboard. Are we functioning? Are we running? Yeah, we are. 2 minutes. Look at that. Servers. I bet you. Now, I had this issue the other day. I had a couple people message me and tell me that my server wasn't responding for them, and I was logged in. So it could just be a networking issue. Stop it again. Start it back after a second or two. Actually, check for any updates. There might be a Steam update that I'm just somehow magically missing. And it's up to date. Okay. Yeah. Start. Thought it was. You'll notice your CPU rate is jacking way up, and that's because I'm actually just starting the server back, so the server's like, whoa, hey, trying to load and compile all the files. And you can notice something here. My CPU priority, I take high priority. Actually, I pay extra, pay extra for that, so that way if their server actually run out of Dallas, yeah, Dallas, Texas, but if their server is packed or bogged down, or if there's people that are like 50 different servers running on the server that's hosting for me, I actually take high CPU priority, so that way if anything's going on or if it's bogging down the system, uh, my server takes priority over everyone else, or over any other non-high CPU priority server. Okay, there we go. Servers. Connect. There it goes. Yeah, that was just simple as stop and start. Anyways, so we'll see it load up here in a second. Hopefully no issues. Not sure if you guys will be able to hear the game or not. Oh well, doesn't matter. If you're if you're looking at this video, you already know what it sounds like anyways. Wow, I'm getting 13, 175. Well, that's because we're on a still screen. Wow. Shadowplay really kills my frame rates. Anyways, when you're doing a server direct join like I just did, if you've never done it before, this is typically how it will load you in. It's going to tell you that it's attempting to join a game from a direct join or invite. And hitting accept does no good. You just kind of have to sit here and wait. But if everything goes well and the coding pushes out like it's supposed to, you'll jump straight into a loading screen and you'll see it start loading everything that it's supposed to. Like a typical load in. And it's loading. See, look at that. We're in luck. The island. Snapshot, Cave 1. Oh, there it goes. Stargates. Fish Village. So the Stargates are loading in. That's what I was sitting here staring. I was like, man, I hope that code pops up. And it did. Stargates are loading. Lost Temple. These are all different settings. Now, I haven't downloaded the Puddle Jumper accessory. I'm thinking it's an accessory that goes along with this mod. And I will probably download it later and add it just because the Puddle Jumper is required. Typo killed me. I was actually in this cave right here. South Cave 2, I think is what it's called. And I've got a base right here, but I don't have a bed there. I guess I'll load up the crappy base. And and if you are interested in playing on my server, yes, we do have super admin tamed dinos in all of our caves. Actually at the center of the volcano there is actually a giant there's actually a rock golem there. It's like level 1. He's holding a bunch of Mastercraft stuff. But anyways, craftables. I have to load the Ingram. Stargates, there they are. Look at that. And it worked, guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and if it helped you out, hit the like button, smash subscribe. You can check out some of my upcoming stuff. I don't do a lot of videos, so you're not gonna get spammed. But anyways, thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it's everything that you wanted it and needed it to be. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to post in the comments, right?